welcome to Simple or Not Kitchen. My name is Melissa, and today we are getting out our Instant Pot. Today we are making savory black beans that cook up in about 45 minutes in the Instant Pot. And the best thing about making beans in the Instant Pot is we don't need to soak them first. And this recipe is customizable. You can alter the spice mixture to suit just about any taste. To make our black beans today, we're going to need about a pound of black beans. That's about 2 cups. We're also going to need 3 cups of chicken broth, about a cup of crushed tomatoes, as well as some veggies. For veggies, we're using some chopped onions and chopped green bell peppers and some garlic. If we wanted to make these spicy, we would also add a minced jalapeno pepper. To make our beans nice and savory, we are going to need a few seasonings. We are adding a package of Szechuan seasoning, some oregano, chili powder, cumin, salt and pepper, a bay leaf, and a sprig of thyme. Our recipe also calls for about 3 strips of bacon. We're using turkey bacon. To begin, we're going to set our Instant Pot to the saute mode for about 26 minutes. We're going to add a little bit of olive oil to the pan, and then we're going to add our veggies along with our bacon. This mixture is going to cook until the veggies are a little bit soft, and we're going to stir it occasionally as it cooks. Then in go our various seasonings. And this smells absolutely delicious as it's cooking, especially once the seasonings go in. When our veggies are nice and soft, we're going to add our tomatoes, followed by the chicken broth. We are going to stir the ingredients, and then we're going to pour in our black beans. We are going to stir the mixture before we close up the pot. We are going to put our lid on our Instant Pot, and we're going to close the vent. We are going to use the pressure cooker setting on our Instant Pot, setting it to about 43 to 45 minutes, and then we are going to let the pressure release on its own, which should take about another 20 to 25 minutes. And that's it. These beans are super yummy. We make them several times a week in our house, and they're always a hit. We sometimes squirt a little bit of lemon or lime juice onto the beans before eating them, but that's completely optional. Thank you for watching Simple or Not Kitchen. You'll find the recipe, article, and more video online at panelcentral.com.